Can you believe we finished all of the panels, the walls, the cabinets, the doors, even this fancy room using just one material? It's called Bodaq Interior Film, an innovative, self-adhesive finish that works on virtually any surface or substrate. Quick to install, easy to work with, and available in over 450 stunning patterns, Bodaq is changing the way we think about renovation. This isn't just a new product, it's a whole new approach to finishing spaces. Now, think about traditional renovation. It usually means demolition, dust, noise, delays, and a budget that keeps growing. You have to shut down the space, coordinate multiple trades, wait for materials. It's stressful, it's messy, and it takes forever. With Bodaq Interior Film, we skip all of that. No demolition, no construction mess, and no need to shut down the business for that long. The film goes directly onto existing surfaces, fast, clean, and seamless. It's not just renovation, it's transformation. It's proof that smart renovation isn't about spending more. It's about choosing smarter solutions. And sometimes, the biggest changes come from the smallest details. Renovate differently. Renovate smarter.